Not just insects and primates use rainforest trees and branches. Do you know that many frogs do too?
The eyes of a frog are truly a wonder of evolution. Frog can distinguish colors in near total darkness, a feat most other vertebrates, including humans, can't manage. Frogs' eyes give them an almost 360-degree view. Maximize the amount of light they can gather. Nocturnal frogs often have relatively larger eyes compared to their body size than their diurnal counterparts. The skin on the lower eyelids is often semi-transparent, allowing a frog to see even when its eyes are closed. This lets them keep watch for danger while resting. Many frogs, like tree frogs, have specialized toe pads with adhesive properties, which work in conjunction with their jumping ability. The toe pads allow them to stick to a variety of wet and smooth surfaces. This ability to adhere to surfaces is vital for a life spent in the trees. The most unique thing about the red-eyed tree frog is its use of a defense mechanism known as startle coloration. If a predator, such as a snake, approaches, the frog's defense is explosive and immediate. It will suddenly open its enormous, bright red eyes, flash its vibrant blue and yellow sides, and extend its bright orange webbed feet. Glass frogs from South America are mostly nocturnal, spending their days camouflaged on the underside of leaves hanging over water.
The male is the one who watches after the egg mass. Indeed, numerous predators like wasps are waiting for any opportunity to make an easy meal.
Damp earth lives a frog so brilliant that the indigenous Embra people gave it a name that meant the terrible one. This is no ordinary frog. This is the most potent creature on earth. Wild golden poison frogs acquire their potent poison from the invertebrates they consume. Their diet primarily consists of ants hunting the forest floor during daytime.
The blue poison dart frog, native to the tropical rainforests of Suriname, French Guiana, and Guyana, is another amphibian displaying the same crucial defense strategy. If left alone, it can often be seen foraging the forest floor during the day.
Frogs produce sound by passing air from their lungs over their vocal cords, which causes them to vibrate. The smallest frogs are often the loudest. A loud call is a small frog's way of compensating for its size, ensuring it can attract a mate and defend its territory in a big, noisy world. For the example, the tiny Mount Iberia frog from Cuba has a sound of about 80 decibel. A sound between 90 and 100 decibels at close range is comparable to the noise level of a motorcycle.
Deep in the forest of Vietnam, frog camouflage is at its best. The Vietnamese mossy frog is a master of camouflage. It looks exactly like a clump of moss. Camouflage and mimicry are crucial survival strategies for many frogs. Mimicry strategy involves one species evolving to resemble another to gain a survival advantage. It is a powerful form of defense that can help frogs avoid predators, find mates, or even ambush prey. In wetland habitats, from north to south across the globe, frogs are renowned for their agility. While they aren't the fastest land animals in terms of top speed, their explosive acceleration and ability to cover incredible distances relative to their size make them among the animal kingdom's most powerful jumpers. While many frogs are known for their explosive leaps, the green and black poison dart frog from Costa Rica is an exception. This species is known for its small, tranquil movements, rather than powerful jumps. The jungle's chorus fell away, leaving a terrified silence as a lone frog on a green leaf realized it was no longer alone. It was the motionless, shared focus of a stalking snake below, a patient crocodile in the murky water, and a keen-eyed bird perched high above. Tadpoles need to develop strategies to survive predators like dragonfly larvae, which are known to be fierce hunters of frog tadpoles. For some species, their survival strategy is based on profusion and abundance. They produce a large number of offspring, increasing the chances that at least some will survive to adulthood despite heavy predation. Dragonfly larvae have a specialized hinged lower jaw that shoots out at incredible speed to grab prey like tadpoles, making it a fearsome hunting tool. Near forested areas and temples painted in red, a frog often mistaken for a toad is found roaming around. This is the oriental fire-bellied toad. Its striking, vivid coloration, known as, quote, warning coloration, serves as a loud signal to predators that the frog is toxic and should not be eaten. Unlike many other frogs that use a sticky, extendable tongue, the oriental fire-bellied toad must lunge forward and use its mouth to capture its prey. Did you know that around 200 frog species have gone extinct since the 1970s, with many more facing severe threats from disease, habitat loss, and pollution? The decline of frogs is a critical indicator of broader ecosystem health, signaling a severe threat to biodiversity. 40% of all amphibian species, which includes frogs, are currently threatened with extinction, making them the most imperiled group of vertebrates on Earth.
The urgency to save frog populations is more critical than ever. The threats they face are interconnected, including habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and the devastating chytrid fungus.
Joining the conservation work of Endangered Species International is a powerful way to protect and save endangered frogs. We can achieve this by restoring critical habitats and, once their stresses have diminished, by releasing frogs back into the wild. So now to end this video, I just have 2 questions. Do you love frogs like us at Endangered Species International? Will you join Endangered Species International to save the frogs?
The planet isn't dying, it's being killed, and the killers have names and addresses. Utah Phillips.
In the name of the frogs, a big thank you.